Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today we are going to be playing Animal Company. And I'm so sorry about my other videos playing Animal Company in arena mode. It was like just so I have the AC cam now, so hopefully this will follow. Yeah. We're still here. And we joined random. Okay, here we go.
Crystals are on red. Oh, well.
Why must you make my life hard?
I don't mind if they're under red.
Get shut up. You know, I'm fucking really targeted.
But I want to.
I want to.
I can do whatever I want.
What? He smoked. He got smoked, bro. He got smoked, bro.
Hey guys, I'm here to just get some orange if you don't mind me.
That's so rude of you to tell me. I know.
I know, isn't it good?
Why? Why do you show up and make my life hard? Why are you too good at this game?
I farted.
I farted.
Wait,
Please stop targeting me. Dude, I hate when that happens.
I think I made a big shit in my pants. God dang, what did I eat? God dang, what?
Guys, kids are annoying. Talking.
So, that's why.
If I join a different server, make me join a different server. Like, just stop
I was on
changing me
there.
to the same server. Makes sense. Join random. Like, look. Oh my god.
Alright, I will.
Me in a different fat server. I'm so tired of that. Just make me join.
I'm ready, baby, now!
The same
Hello.
server. Come on. Stop.
Wees een kopie maakt je sneller.
Same server. Did you not target me? Did you really not?
You know?
Oh my god! We won? No, hacker! Yup.
Oh, that was who's the hacker? Can't change the red team, I'm leaving. Who's the hacker? Yeah, we gotta ask you.
Different server, please. The dumb star chip. Just like the dumb star chip.
Yo!
Better not see a star, I swear if I see a star. Finally!
And ready for my arrival, worm. Bro, what's this kid trying to do? Is he trying to come back to lobby?
I'm just getting the guns.
We're starting.
What about base
better than I
camping?
thought.
Wow, you suck.
Okay, I got the shotgun, Scott.
Okay, bullets should be faster than
Get off from there.
I don't wanna.
Don't make me come up there.
Dang it.
I don't like this base camp. Oh! Oh my god, he's up there. Look, kids, really that sucks.
Why am I taking this score? The game is actually being annoying right now, bro.
Hey, bro. That's happening.
No bullets hit this dude.
Camping, bro. We
Oh my god, target her! Genuinely stop! So tired of people and targeting me.
He's not a camper.
He literally sat in the bush and killed us every time we came at his spawn.
So what? At least he's not
That's
actual camping. Like inside of his safe. You wanna know what's actually camping? Being inside of his safe zone and killing us, dude. So at least be happy that we could at least kill him, bro. So like, if you're gonna be mad about it, leave. I don't want anybody like you on my team, bro. Leave. Leave. You can't be. If you can't have good sportsmanship, leave, bro.
Alright, tree camper.
Like if this kid can't have good sportsmanship.
Look at all this team.
God, dog.
Like little kids, hurry up! What's such a bro?
Yeah, there's no point in playing, bro.
Bin user, please stop eating beans. Spammer.
Bro, run away for some reason.
Ready, mate. Like, generally, be quiet. I'm going to lose to this little kid that does not want to defense.
Oh.
Ain't no way you're still targeting me across the map. Stop, dude. Generally. Like, my gosh.
I don't know who's on my team.
You're the same guy. I'm weak.
Bro,
Bro, can you
there's
shut
no
up,
way
bro?
you were hacking and you still lost, buddy. That is crazy.
Who's hacking? You can't hack.
Who is hacking?
How is he hacking?
You were. This kid had a freaking aimbot.
Dude.
I watched you snipe me from across the map, so don't even try.
Dude, anybody can snipe people from across the map, right?
Anyone?
Yeah, not with a shotgun.
Okay, with
Now
the shotgun,
that's using
different.
aimbot with the shotgun.
Okay,
Like,
I don't know how you
shotguns
do that
can't
with
even
a
reach you.
That's
Like, shotguns can't even
insanely
reach you
lucky
that
if you
far.
do that with
Exactly.
a shotgun.
So
So
then that's
if you
just
do that with a
like,
shotgun, like that's
which is my
impossible, bro.
point. He's hacking with
somebody
a shotgun.
please go mine. Blue, please go mine. My gosh. And stop bush camping. Why? No, I say that's it.
Honestly, I think I'm just gonna let my teammate down. Like, I'm not even gonna help him out.
Nah, bro.
Then you're useless if you don't even help anyone.
Ah!
That's just being useless.
I'm not being a teammate to somebody that hacks.
Then don't be fat teammates. Oh my god, please stop using
Yes,
shotguns.
I got
like,
it.
generally, be better.
One
Be
match
better at the game. Shotgun users.
Why are my hands so freaking loud, bro?
At least he actually uses pistol.
Okay, then I'll use pistols.
That's exactly what
shotgun.
Ooh, against two sucks. Ain't no way I could. Can anyone company fix those holes? Like a barrier or something?
I'm not low-key
What
being on the
holes?
same team as a hacker, bro.
Who is? How am I hacking? Who is hacking?
You.
You.
Bro, who's a hacker?
You were hacking.
I'm so happy.
Like, how do you snipe someone across the map with a shotgun, bro?
Exactly. How do
I
you
use
snipe
a I don't remember even sniping someone with a shotgun.
Not gonna lie, I kinda do that as well.
To be honest, I just shoot.
Stop playing dumb.
But here's the
Stop
thing.
playing dumb. Stop playing dumb.
We're saying
Stop playing dumb.
across the
I
map.
do
No,
that
you
though.
didn't.
Like, I
I'm
can't.
saying
Across the
that I
map.
don't
Shotguns
have-
can't even reach that far.
I don't
Stop
have
Across the map,
a
never
gun.
mind then.
True, shotguns can't reach that
How are
far.
we supposed to? How are we supposed to know?
I'm using aimbot.
Yo, I'm low-key boss. Come on, don't base camp.
Look at him. He's literally sniping.
Oh, Rexy might be cooking. Rexy might be cooking.
Oh, I'm probably because I
can't
killed
base
you.
Right now.
Bitches, it's just a bush with guns.
Nice.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Shotgun.
Just a
Hacker.
bush with guns,
Just a
guys.
bunch
It's how bushes evolve.
You don't want me to use the shotgun, I won't use.
Yes, please don't use shotgun. And no, you're still missing all the shots. My thing's reloading.
Maybe you could just tell someone.
I always get put on the bad
I think my camera is still loading.
Put on the bad team.
Come on, shotgun user.
Maybe one fair thinks the wrong way and thinks I'm a hacker.
Fix this fat hole.
Guys, they're not hackers, they're just too good.
Is it in the game?
Our skills beyond your comprehension, honey soap.
Yup, actually, please hurry up.
Are you kidding me?
Yes, we're kidding you.
You always put on the
Like, nobody has good sportsmanship in this game.
This is why I don't like people calling me a hacker.
Dragging.
I'm just bad.
Dragging.
What's going on? Ooh. Who about a
Shut the fuck up! I am not damn hacking. I am
I'm
not.
sorry, can you repeat that?
Yeah, can you repeat
Not nice
that?
to say those words.
Repeat that.
I'm not freaking hacking.
Yes,
So.
be quiet.
Who's actually
Who wants
tweaking?
to
It's not nice to say those words.
play a card game with me? Alright, I pulled one
Hey,
card.
why are you
Who
kind
wants
of
to
dressed like me?
Oh, there's
Guys, everybody, you dumb and your Uncle Rush.
I think I'm hacking.
Okay.
Holy adrenaline rush! Oh, you're holy height!
I just threw my controller, bro.
What the frick is happening?
Where
Red
am I-
team! Red team!
And how do we get the feed? Where did my controller battery? Dude, we could have went.
Wait a sec, how did we get defeated?
Bro,
What
you
is
guys
Red
do
team
what?
doing?
No, it was us. It was us. We got defeated.
Now what?
But
It
this
was
is
both
the
of
tie.
us said
What
defeated?
what is this
No,
team?
there was a tie. We broke each other's
60 people in blue.
Oh my god, I've never seen that before. I've never seen that before. A tie. I've never actually seen that before.
Got shot.
Oh my god.
You, me, you, us, we both died today?
Apparently we broke the crystals at the same time.
That's weird. Dead man for all.
I've never actually
actually seen a tie.
Oh my gosh.
I'm thinking
Live.
this is definitely.
Is that really my camera?
Pick it up. Pick it up.
Oh, there it is.
I've never seen a tie.
Y'all kids gotta hurry up. Come on, little kids.
Yeah, your cycle ends,
Be
buddy.
quiet. You're not tough. Kids, depend. What are y'all doing? What are y'all doing?
Being kids at the moment.
Oh, suffer.
You love all my friends. Yo, what time is it?
One tapping, one shot. Finally, I hit it. Get the hell out of here.
You accuse me of a hacker? Speaking game time. Not meant to say those words, but
Broski, I got it.
Oh, he's in the
Don't speak them words, buddy.
I died.
Easy. Cool.
I fell off the edge.
Base camper. Hey, come on. Who keeps throwing bombs over here?
Get out of here with that shit.
I'm contacting my lawyer.
Oh, no,
I'm
no, no,
contacting
sir,
my
sir.
lawyer. I need your insurance right now. I love making new friends. And then I not kill.
Not anymore.
Okay, bet. Oh my gosh! You're hacking, bro. You're genuinely hacking.
You know, Santa Claus
Oh,
didn't
it's
come to
okay.
your house. Ah, you know that, right?
Hey,
Santa Claus won't come to your house.
can you not? Kid, you genuinely not. Oh, this little brick.
I'm the one.
You're hacking noises. I hear hacking noises.
Guys, let's give him protection.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, bet. I'm gonna mine that crystal. Watch me.
alright, team on protection one. While I go crack their nuts out.
All of your kids suck at this game.
Let's go. Yo, guys.
How do you get? Does someone on red team?
Why is it so
own beans?
Like, where's my
Does
camera?
someone on red team own
guys,
beans?
Wait, how do you get a really good skin in mobile games? How do you get a really good skin in Avengers skin? How do you get a really good skin in Avengers? It's plain, but I like the cowboy hat. I like the cowboy hat. And the ball hands.
You own beans. Red with the Ankylosaurus tail. You own beans.
I'm not red.
Your red team.
What is that, Ghosty Marshmallow? What
Can I
is
please
that?
have some beans?
Really?
Oh yeah.
Come on, keep going. I know how to get you. Eat.
I have the bean effect.
No, you're still on.
Yes, indeed I am.
Oh my god, you're camping. What are you doing?
Why do you keep one-shotting me?
Coming up.
Generally have aimbot. You stop trying to
Guys, camper.
Yeah, there's no camper up here. Don't worry about me. Yeah, see you. Oh my god! Wow, you had to target me. Okay. Easy. Kids. Let's go! No, they're so dumb. Stop using shotgun! Please!
These are my primary weapon.
Oh my god, Smokey, hang on a minute.
This is my primary weapon.
Young
You probably see why I use shotguns and only shotguns on possible.
My god!
hurt you guys when you're in the
Why you going to the
Girl, why is there a delay on death?
There wasn't a
Oh, Foster.
Bro, there's too many blue team people.
We won!
Look how many blue team people there are.
Yo, get the right lane, people.
No, I think that.
We're going somewhere.
Wait. What weapon should I use?
Anyways, guys, that's all it for today's video. I am so sorry about in the wall thing. Like, oh no, it was in the lobby of Arena. I don't know how to get my camera there. I figured it will follow since the follow is on. It will follow me to Arena. But no, it just wanted to hide. And now things are switched. Anyways, like and subscribe. Oh my god! Don't forget